Now, there's this drug that is commonly used by young men. They are taking this drug as groundnuts. They take it as ugali and skuma daily. But this drug is not supposed to be taken the way you are taking it. You are medicating yourself. You don't have any condition. You are not treating any condition. I'm talking about the Viagra, the sildenafil, the drug that was approved by the FDA in 1998 to be used among the people with erectile dysfunction and what we call the pulmonary hypertension. But again, it has become a recreational drug among the young adults. They are using this medication daily, taking them as groundnuts. They want a direction and they want to last longer in bed to make their partners happy. But there are a lot of health risks that can come along where you are using this medication as a young adult. This sildenafil is a phosphodiesterase inhibitor. It inhibits the phosphodiesterase enzyme, making the blood vessels to relax, allowing the blood flow to the penis, hence making an erection. One of the side effects as a young man is what we call the drug interaction. Maybe you're taking other medication, you're treating other medication, but you're taking this Viagra. They can interact with other medication, causing the low blood pressure and even stroke if you're taking medication such as the nitrates. The other side effect is what we call the vision loss and even the hearing loss. This one can happen. A young man, you don't have vision, your sight has gone, you don't have your hearing has gone. So this is an health risk that young men should avoid this medication. The other side effect is what we call the priapism. You are having a long, painful, long erection lasting more than 8 hours. This is a medical emergency. You need to go to the hospital. So this is also another side effect that the young men, you must do away. The other thing is what we call the you become a psychological dependence. You started using this medication at the age of 20. Now, when you marry, you need to use this medication. You need to start your engine. There's no way you can do. There's nothing you can do. You must start this engine. So therefore, you must get this Viagra so that you can start your engine. You must, the engine, is the penis, so that you can get the erection. So this is a drug that you should not joke about. So imagine of a situation that you must start your engine, you go buy this medication so that you can start this erection. You can have what we call the sexual activity. Without this drug, you can do nothing. So this is a drug that you should not joke with. This is a drug that you need a prescription. Avoid self-medication. So you are not suffering from erectile dysfunction or rather the pulmonary hypertension, avoid this drug. The Viagra is not for you, young man. It can ruin your life, or rather the relationship thereafter when you decide to marry. So these are some of the side effects that you can get as a young man where you are using this Viagra to make others so happy. So this Viagra is not for you, young man. Stop this. Thank you very much. This is the end of this episode.